Morning, guys. Hope you're having a very amazing day. It's a very cloudy morning in Lagos. Let me reduce my music. It might be interfering into my audio. Yes, as I was saying, it's a very cloudy morning in Lagos, and traffic seems to be quite a bit heavy today, unlike yesterday. And just heading to work. It feels good. I love this weather because it's just so cool and calm. I know these guys in the cars are very jealous of me right now, but yo, yeah, I'm too used, guys. Just imagine if every single person in these cars, at least there are like one person in the car driving and heading to work. Oh, who is this behind me? Yo. At least one person in the car driving to work. Yeah, you have a whole lot of other space in your car and you are heading to work. But you can just be on a motorcycle and then just enjoy your ride to work and be excited about it, you know. Just as we all know that there's always traffic in Lagos, and then if you just want to avoid traffic and all of that, just get on the bike, man. So I'm encouraging you watching this video. If you don't have a bike, get one. Oh, this is so cool. I don't know that they take control containers past this route though. That's so nice. So if you are watching this, just comment below wherever you're watching from. I'd like to see if I've ever been there, or I'd like to be there. And who knows, you might be my guest. You just might. Bro, what's up? Let's see this guy. Yo! Thank you. Okay. It's been a very long time I entered public bus, so because I ride every day, man, which is fitter and safer and less cost efficient. Yeah, is that English correct? Anyways, I don't spend too much on transport. That's what I mean. When I fill my tank up, I'm good to go, at least for almost a week. Yeah, depending on where I go to, because I work out a lot, so depends on where I go to. Yeah, so what's the weather like in your area? Right now I'm loving this weather, and then it feels so good. Yo, bro, can you see me? Now you can go your way. Let me go my way. And I'm going my way. This just feels so good, man. It feels so good. This is my first time doing this for YouTube. Hoping to continue something like this. See these people inside this car. So sad. Get on your bike. Just get a bike, man. Hey, this will interfere with my audio. I know you can hear the voice from the music playing in the background, but it's just me trying to listen to music on my way to work. Just trying to check if I'm still recording. But then the whole traffic situation is just a bottleneck from this axis, because they're trying to fix the roads, as you can see already, and immediately they're done, it's just going to be a very smooth sailing all the way to the island and back. But we just have to take this shit for now. Afterwards we are good to go. Okay, I can hear you. Okay, so I hope you see this video and like it, and subscribe to my channel. Woo! Yeah, and subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Thank you. Who watches that guy's videos on on TikTok or Instagram where others post stuff randomly and on Facebook Marketplace, and then you just ask, hey, this person is counting rosary. Is he praying to God this morning? That's so cool. That's so cool. Yeah, like I was saying, see this bro, agree to he's having such a very, very good day right there. See this one too. He didn't hear me. He's paying close attention, grabbing into, hi sister, good morning. Hey, she ignored me. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. This just feels like a real track for bikes. Woo! I mean, it's just so much freedom. They can't relate, man. They just can't. They will just like to use their AC, which you always have at home. You have at home, you have in the office where you are going to. There's AC everywhere. Just enjoy the natural, fresh breeze, calm. Enjoy your exhaust notes. I can't explain my feeling. I can't express my feeling right now, man. Another advantage of biking, because road safety, police will stop you once in a while. VIO, vehicle inspection officers, they won't stop you because they know that you are abiding by the rules for you to gear up, and then for you to be riding a bike, you are keeping safe, and then you are doing everything in all means to stay safe and keeping your bike safe and sound as well. But police guys will stop you and ask you for your papers once in a while, and maybe stop and search when you are on the trip. Aside that, you are good, and you just throttle all the way down like this. Nice one. You need every peel of that every morning. You need a peel of that boost of fresh air every morning. Something to get your heart kicking. Very, very fine. But you rather sit in a cage. Get off it. Slow down, let him go. Alright. Okay, so I'm almost at work, so this almost concludes the end of my video. So see you guys in the next episode of whatever this is called. Road is so free this morning. I don't know why, but maybe because there was so much traffic yesterday coming to the island. That's why a lot of people like maybe went to work on time or went through another route. Because before I left the house this morning, I checked the other route and it was over an hour. So probably a lot of people went that route and then escaped coming this way. That's nice, thank you for that. So this wraps my video for today. You guys check my Instagram and TikTok page. I'm currently doing a 31 days of kindness in August 2024, depends on when you see this video. So I'm looking to continuing it for a longer period of time. So yeah, I'm saying this in future. I'm speaking into existence right now because this will be on YouTube for quite a while. So see you guys on the next one. Bye.